Welcome back all of you to our online platform, that is our school's YouTube channel. So again we are ready with today's video. This video is for class 7th and the subject is maths, and we are continuing the same chapter, that is chapter number 2, and the name of the chapter is fractions and the decimals. As you know that we have already started the exercise 2.5 and we have already completed up to question number 6. So today we will discuss question number 7. In question number 7 a diagram is given. Like this, one diagram is given in which the numbering also done A, B, C, D. In the question it is given that distance is also given. A is 7.5 kilometer from B. So A is 7.5 kilometer away, 7.5 kilometers, and from B, and B is 12.7 kilometer from C. So BC is 12.7 kilometer. This is 12.7 kilometer. At the same time D is 9.3 kilometers from A. D is 9.3 kilometers from A. So 9.3 kilometers away from D. At the same time C is 11.8 kilometers from D. 11.8 kilometers. So two boys, Dinesh and Ayub, went from place A to D by the different way. Dinesh went from place A to B and from there to place C, and Ayub went from A to place D and from there to place C. So who travelled more and by how much? Distance travelled by Dinesh. First of all we will calculate distance travelled by Dinesh. Dinesh went this side from A to B, that is 7.5 kilometers. Afterwards A to B and from there to place C, और यहाँ से B से C पे आ गया, means 12.7 kilometers more. So total distance will be, we have to add 7 plus 5, 12, 2, and decimal will be vertically downward, the decimal. 7 plus 5, 12, 2, 1, 7 plus 1, 8, 8 plus 2, 10, 0, 1 plus 1, 2. This much kilometer was the distance travelled by Dinesh. At the same time Ayub went from place A to D, A से D and then D to C. So a distance covered by Ayub, distance will be from A to D, that is 9.3 kilometers, and from then D to C, that is 11.8 kilometers. Again we have to add to find the total distance, that will be 8 plus 3, 11, 1, 9 plus 1, 10 plus 1, 11, 1 kilometers. So who travelled more and by how much? So from here we can see that Dinesh covered 20.2 kilometers and Ayub covered 21.1 kilometers. So clearly we can see that Ayub covered more distance. By how much difference is? Difference we have to find 21.1 kilometer. The distance covered by Ayub, that is more, we can see, and the distance covered by Dinesh is 20.2 2 kilometers. Then for difference we have to subtract. 2 cannot be subtracted from 1, so we will borrow 1 that it becomes 11 minus 2, that is 9. Then here comes 0 only, 0 minus 0 0, so 0 0. So Ayub traveled more distance than Dinesh by this much kilometer. So the answer will be in the language only. So we can write Ayub covered more distance than Dinesh by 0.9 kilometer. This is the answer of this question, that is question number 7. Now we will discuss the next question, that is question number 8. While watching the video, you should keep your textbook with you so that you can also read the question and you can understand the question as well. So now we will first of all read the question number 8. Afterwards we will solve that question. So Shyama bought 5 kg and 300 grams of apples and some mangoes as well. So Shyama bought apples and Shyama bought mangoes. How many apples, how much apples are there? We will write here kilograms and grams. So the apples bought by Shyama 5 kilogram and 300 grams. Afterwards the mangoes 2 kilogram and 250 grams. 2 kilogram and 250 grams. Total will be, we are supposed to add. So 0 5 5 5 plus 2 7 means 7 kilogram and 550 gram. Now we have to see the second one. Second one is Sarla. Sarla brought total fruits. Sarla bought what she bought? She bought oranges and bananas. Again we have to write kilograms and grams. The weight of the oranges bought by Sarla is 4 kilogram 150 4 kilogram and 150 grams, and 4 kilogram 800 4 kilogram and 800 grams of oranges and 4 kilogram 150 grams of bananas. So the total weight of the fruits, total fruits for total we have to add 0 5 8 plus 1 9 4 plus 4 8. So here 8 is the kilogram and 950 is the gram. Who brought more fruits? So clearly we can see that Shama bought 7 kilogram 550 grams. So we will compare first of all the kilograms. Here it is 7 kilogram and here it is 8 kilogram. So bottom we can write Sarla bought more fruits. If we have to calculate how much, then we can find the difference. So we can subtract the smaller quantity from the larger quantity. So this was question number 8. So now we will discuss question number 9. How much less is 28 kilometer than 42.8 kilometer? We have to find the difference between 42.6 kilometer and the second number is 28 kilometer. 28 kilometer means 28 on the left hand side of the decimal there will be kilometers, on the right hand side there will be meters. So there is no meters, then we can write 28.0 kilometers. We have to find the difference. So to find the difference, we are supposed to subtract 6 minus 0. 6 here 2, 8 cannot be subtracted from 2. So we will borrow 1. If we borrow 1, then it becomes 12. 12 minus 8, that is 4, and here will be vertically downwards there will be decimal. Here 3 is remaining, 3 minus 2, 1. So in the answer we can write 28 kilometer is 14.6 kilometers less than 42.6 kilometers. So this is the answer of this question. I hope that you have understood. At the same time, we have also completed the exercise 2.5, and today's homework is you are supposed to solve each and every question of this exercise. And if you face any kind of problem, then you are supposed to inform us. You can message us or you can even call us. I hope that you will not have any kind of problem solving these questions, because we have already solved each and every question of this exercise on the board. So if you have any problem, then you can watch the previous videos as well, and if after that also if you are having any doubt, then you can call us or you can message us. But today only you are supposed to complete the exercise, each and every question, and after completing the questions you are supposed to take the pic of that and you are supposed to upload on the school's WhatsApp number. Thank you very much.